What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and as you can see, we got another case video, guys. Got something nice from UAG. Now, you know UAG been selling dope cases for a long time, and this is one of the classics right here. This is the Pathfinder. Let's take a look at the front. As you can see, 18-foot drop protection, built-in MagSafe magnet. You see the MagSafe right there. And also made from recycled materials. You know, everybody's trying to go green. This is the Pathfinder for the 15 Pro. Take a look at the back of the case, guys. As you can see, it's a feather-like composite construction, built-in magnet for MagSafe, enhanced corner protection, tactile grip, and again, it's made from 25% recycled material. Shout out to them for going green. If you watch the channel, you know I love the UAG unboxing. It's very simple. As you can see, Pathfinder. Put your thumb right here in this hole, lift up, and we've got the case, guys. Now, this is one of the more protective, clear, rugged type cases. A lot of clear cases are like cheap and cheesy, flimsy, and things of this nature. This is an actual clear, protective case, and now it has the MagSafe element, so really dope. Now, as you can see, nice and clear. It's a mix of a clear and a frosted clear. You see this design. UAG is really good with these rugged designs, man. A1, they've been doing this for a long time. So you can see now, when it comes to the action button, it's just a bigger cutout, so you can still press the action button. I prefer a button there, and I would like an orange accent. I've seen the company do that. I think that's dope, but you still got a nice big enough cutout for you to press your action button if need be. And you got that volume rocker. I love the slits in this button press. You got the symbols, the plus, the minus. Looks very good, very tactile, very bolstered up. You know exactly where your buttons are. And further down, we got the grips. Grip is a big part of drop protection, guys. The better grip you have, the less likely you are to drop your device. And same thing on this side. Nice raised up power button, not hard to find at all. And you got grip, so very dope. You take a look at the case. We actually, as you can see, is bolstered up, guys. Around the edges, it is nice and bolstered up. That's that drop absorption, because a lot of times when you drop your device, it ends up on a corner. It impacts at that corner, and they are nice and bolstered up on all the corners, even on the bottom of the case, guys. Nice and bolstered up. I also like these little makeshift torques. Really cool, unique protective case here. As you can see, it's gonna be nice and raised up around the camera. Also, let's just go ahead and drop this on the device. So this is how you're gonna be looking on your iPhone 15 Pro. I like this look, guys. Very dope look. I like the mixture of the frost and the clear. Nice big UAG branding on back, letting you know what it is. And that MagSafe, now this is golded with the MagSafe. You're getting a lot of protection from a clear case. I mean, some people may call this clear, some people may not, because you got this nice, this is a clear case with a nice rugged bumper. And something you're gonna get out front is a lot of raised lip protection. Raised lip protection is important because if you drop this device, and it lands flat on its face, you want the case to be raised up past the screen of your device. It may stop your device from being cracked or shattered. So not a raised lip protection, very nice touch. But this is the UAG Pathfinder in clear. Very dope case. It'll be a link down description. If you want like a cool rugged case with some MagSafe but still clear so you can see the colorway of your iPhone 15 Pro, this might be something you want to check out. It's your boy BG Tech Life. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. Follow me on Threads, Instagram, and Twitter, BG_Tech Life. I'm out. Peace.